You just fly me the fuck out of here.
Alright. Fly the fuck out of here.
Don't get me killed. Take me home.
Anyways, back to the tour. This was the Murder Beach.
Yeah.
We had a kill box right here. Yep. We had a kill box right here.
Yep.
We had another little tiny one over here.
Yeah, we would run up to the huts.
Yep, and then me and Chaps had a big, huge one. Well, no, it was small, wasn't it? It was small.
Yeah.
Over here. Man, you remember these beaches would be littered with fucking zombies.
Yep. Like them down there?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, like them. Hey, but all these rocks weren't here, Chaps. Remember that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. He changed the terrain, fucker. You know, all he had to do was fucking leave the map the same. What a geek.
Yeah.
What a fucking geek. What a geekhead.
Uh-oh.
Fire that gun.
Shooting up there. Shooting up there. Just playing, Fredo, just playing.
Eh.
Oh.
Who's this?
Oh yeah, that's Striker's place. He never got his stuff back. That was a player. I was riding in the boat with him and he didn't know it. I was in Vanish and I was watching him. And he was fighting and doing all kinds of shit. And I stuck an M249 off in his boat inventory. I took his junky guns out and I put M249 with some fucking HV rounds. And
Did he find it?
Yeah, fuck that. He went out to the rig and he was looking.
He lost the boat.
He was looking confused when he found it, right? Finally, he just said, fuck it. He pulled it out, started shooting, and then he ends up dying.
Oh.
He didn't come back for it, so I got all this shit and I went and put that little building up on the island with his name on it, but he never came back.
Look at you, man. You're like the guy's very godmother.
Yeah, well, I felt bad for him, you know.
Yeah.
He didn't come back though, so fuck him. Look, this is where it all started this way. Let's see if anybody's got broke in. Hell no, nobody's broke in. Look at that. Oh, workbench level 2. All right.
Yeah, this is the starter.
Starter.
I don't think Fredo's seen inside this one.
Nope.
You go look inside?
Nah. Well, unless you guys want to.
No, you can, if you like, you know. All my horses died. Poor things.
Aww.
Aww.
Yeah, I know. So hard.
Is there anything good in here?
So hard. Oh, look at the old base.
Memory.
Oh, fuck, there's pumpkins in here on the floor.
Like the hammers of my
Oh, this is where Fredo spawned.
misty watercolored memory.
Definitely where Fredo spawned. Okay.
Of the way we were.
Yeah, this is a fun place at one time, Fredo.
Misty picture.
We used to party out all night here, man.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, remember those? Remember those days?
Yeah, man.
Dude, we'd get girls, we'd bring them back here.
Yeah, Motley Crue and drugs, and yeah, it was great.
And then later on, we'd like brag about how, dude, I stuck my hand down her panties. And like, you did not, like, I did too, man.
On aboard.
I totally did. I've been late lots of times.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get laid every night when I lay down in my bed.
No, man, for real, you don't know.
Oh, I know damn right. You don't tell me not to know. This is where you get the snowmobiles at right there.
You know, they have the old saying that marriage is grand, but divorce is 50 grand.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so true. Oh shit. Oh
Yeah,
shit.
you're gonna kill me again.
Oh no.
Why are you doing this?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
You're a bad tour guide. I want you to know you're a very bad
Oh.
tour guide.
Stay.
Oh!
Yes, you deserve to
No,
die.
nobody died. Nobody
No,
died.
you deserve to die.
Nobody died, damn you. You did not die. Don't you tell me lies. You don't lie to me, you fucking guy. Don't you?
God, this time.
That's fucking right. You better go.
I saw my life flash before my eyes.
Yes.